Hi everyone, I'm going to read you a book today to do with our science work, and it's called Lots, The Diversity of Life on Earth by Nicola Davies. Fantastic book, keep your eyes peeled, there is so much on every single page, and I'm really lucky because I got a signed copy as well, and I'll show you her autograph in a minute on the front. There it is, with best wishes, look. And look at that, an amazing title page. So, how many different kinds of living things are there on our planet? 1, 2, 3. Lots. Yes, there are lots and lots and lots, from big things like elephants and oak trees. There are 2 kinds of elephants, African and Asian, and more than 600 kinds of oak trees. To small things like mushrooms. So far, scientists have counted 100,000 kinds of mushrooms. And microbes. Microbes are so small you need a microscope to see them. There can be 5,000 kinds in just 1 teaspoon of soil. That's incredible, isn't it? Everywhere you look, there are living things. In deserts, on islands far out to sea, under the feathers of birds, feather mites, and on the back of beetles. Can you see here? A lichen beetle have tiny plants growing on their backs. This helps them to stay hidden and stay safe. The bright colours in this pool are made of microbes, even in places where you would think nothing at all could live, like boiling volcanic pools. Counting how many kinds of things there are can be difficult because some places are hard to look in, like the tops of tall trees in the jungle or the bottom of the coldest seas. It can also be difficult because some things that look different are really the same. Young queen angelfish, adult queen angelfish. Or things that look the same are really different. But mainly it's difficult because there are just so many of them. So far, human beings have found and counted almost 2 million different kinds of living things. And that's only the start. There could be so many millions more. Thousands of new kinds are found every year. And the more we find, the more we learn about how living things depend on each other for food, for places to live, and for ways to grow. Jaguars eat packers, which eat the fruit and seeds from trees. Packers poo the tree seeds they've eaten, which grow into new trees. Hummingbirds eat insects and nectar, and insects eat nectar. Toucans live in tree holes. Bats bite holes in leaves so they droop to make a tent. Baby frogs grow in pools of rainwater in leaves. Bees carry pollen to flowers so flowers can grow seeds. We have learned that every kind of living thing is a part of a big, beautiful, complicated pattern. The trouble is, all over the world, human beings are destroying bits of the pattern, poisoning the air, rivers and oceans, taking too much from the sea, building roads that cut forests into pieces. So that animals and plants disappear. Many kinds of living things have already been lost. Perhaps some have disappeared even before we found them. Human beings are part of the pattern too, and we need to make sure it stays big, beautiful, and complicated. Because we could not live on an earth where we had counted down instead of up, from lots to one.